Of all the heads of the schools of Vasco Taluka on the waste management seminar on plastic waste. So on this occasion, there were lots of discussion on this, and I have assured to make Vasco a pollution-free, plastic-free. So under this mission, I have taken the initiative with the help of Goa Waste Management and ADI Mormugao. In all, there were 73 teachers today participated in the active seminar, and I have told them that municipality is willing to take up the plastic, take up the paper bags, which the student has to do it. And for the Saptah, which is coming closer, let us work together for making Vasco a free plastic. This is my mission, and under this I have requested all the teachers to work in these directions. I think the students our new generation has lost that they have a mouth. They can use their mouth instead of using straw. Our generation, we have not purchased this earth. We have inherited this earth from our ancestors. They have worked wonders, and we are living on this earth. It is our bounden duty to keep the earth for the future of our generations. Make a change here, and I want a change. But change will not happen immediately. It will take time. We cannot blame the government for not banning the plastic. It will come. It is you and me who has to understand the concept.
On waste segregation, it was organized by Goa Waste Management and the ADI's office along with Vasco Municipality and Rotary Club of Vasco. Okay, so what is happening in this seminar is that the schools of Vasco will produce paper bags in this quarter, which will be used for the Saptah, and these paper bags will be bought by our Vasco CO, Municipality CO, Agnello Fernandez, and same has been assured that he will be buying this and distributing it to the vendors in Saptah.
आयचे जे सेमिनार आशिल्ले ते गोवा सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन आनीक मुरगांव म्युनिसिपालिटी हांच्या जोड पालवान आयोजीत केल्ले. ह्या सेमिनारांतल्यान आमकां खुबशें कितें तरी शिकपाक मेळ्ळें. वेस्ट कसो सॅग्रेगेट करप आनीक सॅग्रेगेट करून तो ताची विल्हेवाट कशी लावप हें आमकां हांगासर शिकपाक मेळ्ळें. तशेंच भुरग्यां भितर जागृताय हाडप आनीक भुरग्यां कडल्यान ही तांचे पालक जे आसा तांचे पर्यंत ही जागृताय कशी पावोवप हें एक मोठें काम जें आसा तें आमचेर आसा. एक शिक्षक ह्या नात्यान आमी हें काम जें आसा तें मोठ्या नेटान फुडें व्हरतले, कित्याक एक जापसालदारकी शिक्षक ह्या नात्यान आमची आसा.